This is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see deleted posts on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you post something to Instagram and delete it later, it's not completely gone. You can see your deleted post on Instagram. First of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. And then tap on your profile. Tap on the three lines on the upper right corner over here. Tap on your activity. You can see on the removed and archived content, there's an option. There's an option recently deleted. You can tap on that. So here's the post that you just deleted. Only you can see this post. They will be permanently deleted after the number of days shown. After that, you won't be able to restore them. So you can see all of your deleted posts on this. So that is how to see deleted posts on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!